Okay, guys, new purchase for the main Electrolab shop. We're out here in the outside shop. It's enclosed, but it's for heavy work, etc. We have several workbenches with this 2-inch butcher block top. It's really, you can see we've uh, done a lot of grinding, etc. And the hot metal filings have kind of burned into the surface. But this surface really takes a beating. So my son and I have used side grinders for working metal, cutting seams out of transformers, just almost anything you can think of. And so we have worn out our Chicago Tools 4.5-inch side grinder, and I've done a new purchase. And this video is really for my son to introduce him to this. I can't wait till he can get in the shop with me in the Retro Lab or the Electro Lab, and we can start working on some bigger projects. This is really cool. I picked this Ryobi up because it has a really interesting innovation, and here it is. Right here, main handle rotation. That is really convenient. You can adjust the guard because it's got a clamp-based guard. You can rotate the guard, clamp the guard in an offset position, and you're able to work material or cut through flat material by just rotating this, and your hand is in a convenient position. Just move the secondary hand handle from the left side of the head to the top, and you're set to go. Really fantastic innovation. Ryobi is really good company. You know, a lot of people say you need to get rigid or other types of tools. We are really not tough on these tools. 4.5 inch is good enough for us. You can put a cutoff wheel. We do a lot of sheet metal stuff, building sheet metal enclosures for our electronics. This is, you know, I just had to get this thing. I went through and looked at several, and nobody else has this clamp-on rotated guide. This rotating handle was something that I couldn't find. Very handy. So we picked this up, a new addition to the Electro Lab to replace the old worn out Chicago Tools 4.5-inch side grinder. And we'll bolt this thing up and attach it and use it as a main grinder. Of course, we have bench grinders, but this tool, we probably use this tool from a metal grinding point of view more than anything else.